Pia nitaongea na Daktari Ng'ang'a, Pastor Ng'ang'a.
There are schools, a number of schools here under the government school feeding program, but it is not as effective. So again, there is also something to learn on the effectiveness of the program itself, so that again, the program is also a consistent program. And when the program is not reliable, then and again, even you will find that some of the feeding programs will come to a halt under the government because maybe of delayed funding and all that. So the call would be to extend the government to extend the school feeding program to more schools. I have almost 300 schools in this place. And then besides that, also make it consistent.
At the moment, we are feeding nearly 6,000 children in this area, representing nearly 21 schools in the area. Apart from feeding the children, which makes them come to school and improves their health, makes them more energetic, and their education standards improve.